Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I do apologize because I haven't been uploaded any unboxing yet. Because of the past holidays, logistics has been very painful. So a lot of shipments were delayed. But okay, so let's go back. So today we'll be unboxing the Marvel Legends X-Men Uncanny Dark Phoenix Retro. As you all know, Dark Phoenix is one of the main antagonists of the X-Men line, X-Men's comic books. So Dark Phoenix is also Jean Grey. I don't know if you've read the comics, but I do recommend to read it, the Dark Phoenix saga. So okay, so let's look at the box. Let's see here. That's Jean Grey. Overwhelmed by the power of the cosmic Phoenix entity, Jean Grey gives in to the being's destructive tendencies. So let's go and check the box. As you can see, this one's recorded. You can see here that she has some decent accessories. You can see what the wave includes, and that's it. Okay, so we'll be opening the box right now. Okay guys, that's Dark Phoenix outside of the package. So I do apologize because I don't have the older figure. I do remember that the first Marvel Legends Dark Phoenix, it comes with a 2-pack. I think that's with Cyclops. It's actually a highly sought after figure, because it was only released at the 2-pack. I believe the 2-pack, if you buy it in box, I do believe it's gonna cost you like around 200 to 250 Australian dollars. But I think right now it went down because Dark Phoenix was actually released as a single pack. So I'm sorry that I couldn't compare it with the old figure, but I do believe there's some significant changes with this body. So let's see. This is Phoenix. I think the other figure has a lighter reddish color. So this one has a so you can actually rotate it at 360. It's pinless and double jointed. Oh, that's good. I do believe the first version it's not pinless, and then it's not double jointed too. This was like a sizable. So it's pinless double jointed knee too. Good range. You can actually split this one here. So good articulation. Let's look at the head sculpt, guys. Pretty good paint job. I think the other Phoenix comes up with a darker red, I think. Or was it the yellow? Sorry, I couldn't remember. But I do remember that it has a different scarf, the belt. Good thing they added this one here, but I remember that one is different. So let's now go to the accessories. So this is actually the Phoenix. So good they added this one here. Because from the 2-pack, remember they don't have this one. Another set of open hands. Okay, so let's try to put the accessories. Okay. Let's try it here. Let's try to put it. Okay, that's it. Let's put the Phoenix. Is it like this? I can't remember. You should be able to hold it. I think that's it. Let's see. Let's compare it with other figures. Let's try. Oh, Jean Grey from the animated series. I do believe this one has the old Dark Phoenix body mold. So as you can see, this one, it's not double jointed. Pins, but it's double jointed to the knees. So I think I can say this is actually an improvement from the old body sculpt, but I prefer the old. I think the old Phoenix color is much more better. But it's a good thing that they added more accessories. So I think for me, overall, this is actually a good improvement. So if you have missed the old 2-pack, this is actually a good, not a replacement, but an improvement. So I highly recommend you get this one here if you're into the X-Men line collection. So she's also one of the main characters, so I do believe you need to collect her. So that's it for today. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please do click like and subscribe and wait for my next unboxing. Hopefully the packages will come on time, but don't worry, I'll unbox another Marvel Legends figure soon. And by the way, I'll try to open or unbox a few other lines like the Masters of the Universe or a foreign DC Multiverse figures. I just need to wait my order. Sorry guys, but it's just logistics is really bad. We haven't caught up yet. So then again, thank you for watching.